TimberTech Floorizon Plank has a self-fastening built-in hidden fastener system. The full 6-inch plank provides more surface coverage than traditional profiles, which means less material and labor. Floorizon planks can span up to 24 inches on center and have TimberTech's exclusive vertigrain surface. Planks are available in 12-foot, 16-foot, and 20-foot lengths. Let's take a look at how to install the Floorizon plank. To allow for cross-ventilation and reduced moisture buildup beneath the deck, it's very important that a minimum of 12 inches of unobstructed continuous airspace be along at least 3 sides of the deck, below the joists or below the lowest supporting structure, such as a crossbeam. You can add lattice around the bottom of the deck as long as the lattice openings are at least as wide as the slats. It's important to never force tongue and groove planks together. Just use hand pressure to interlock the planks. And be sure the drainage slots are unobstructed. Never glue or use caulk to fasten TimberTech planks or to seal the joint between the plank and any other surface. This will inhibit the necessary movement for expansion and contraction and prevent the deck from draining properly. The first step is to place the TimberTech Floorizon starter strip along the leading edge of the deck and drive the screws through the outside leg of the strip using one No. 8 2.5-inch high-quality coated or stainless steel composite deck screw at every joist. When the starter strip is installed, lay in the first Floorizon plank. Use hand pressure only. Slip the tongue of the plank into the starter strip groove, fastening from the center of the plank out. Use one 2.5-inch No. 8 screw per joist by driving screws through the outside leg. When properly installed, there will be about a 3/16-inch reveal at each joint, making the weep holes visible. If the weep holes are not visible or get clogged, the deck surface will not drain properly. In some installations, you may need to butt joints between planks. Remember, butt joints must fall on a joist. You will need to leave at least an 1/8-inch gap to allow for expansion. Refer to the gap spacing requirements by temperature and the TimberTech Decking and Dry Space Installation and Maintenance Guide. Keep laying the planks and fastening down the screws. If the last row is a partial width plank, you will need to measure and rip the plank to fit into the gap. Don't forget to account for the recommended gap spacing in your measurements. After you rip the plank to your measurements, place rather than slide the ripped plank into position, as you may not always have room to slide it. You may need to add blocking under the plank to stabilize it if the support legs are cut off. When you have laid all of the planks, you are ready to cut the ends. Snap a chalk line and using a circular saw, cut the ends off the deck planks. Finish your deck area by using TimberTech twin fascia board. To give the deck a finished look, use TimberTech's twin fascia or XLM fascia. Install the fascia using a No. 8 stainless steel flathead screw that is a minimum of 1.5 inches in length in combination with a No. 10 countersink and a 3/16-inch drill bit. Drive the countersink about 1/8 inch below the surface. Then use a 7/32 drill bit to ream out the through hole. The oversized hole with countersink will allow the fastener to be flush, but not tight, to permit movement in and out and side to side. Screw 2 inches from the top and bottom every 24 inches.